So Spur Protocol airdrop claiming is now live. So based on the information they give us, that on the 6th of February, we will claim our airdrop. And the claiming is not simple like that. You submit your address and they will deposit on the address you be provided. So in this video, I will show everything you need to know about how to link your address so that you can get your allocation. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the check eligibility here. So once tap on check eligibility, scroll to top and tap on withdrawal. So here, once you tap on withdrawal, you tap on link wallet. So once you tap on link wallet, and then you go to coin store, because that is the only exchange they list on it. So if you come to your coin store and you come to an asset, so if you come to asset, then you tap on deposit. So if you tap on deposit, then you search for SON, which is SON. You can see it here for the first one. So here you can see the network is PEP20. So that is the BNB address they are talking about to link. So once you tap on it, you can see it will be the address will be released. Then you copy it. After copy it, then come back to the Spur Protocol application. Then you tap on this logo here. Once you tap on it, automatically you can see airdrop wallet address successfully updated. So guys, that is how basically about how to link your address to the Spur Protocol, because here they said submit your BNB wallet, your airdrop will be sent to this address. Please ensure it is yours. We won't be able to access if it is not, right? So make sure you do that right now so that you don't miss this airdrop. So guys, this is your first time come across to my channel, kindly subscribe and check the link in the description section or comment section of the video, and join our Telegram channel and our WhatsApp group where we share step by step like this and so many ways to make money on this crypto space. See you guys in my next video.